The cap assembly consists of the cap itself, an O-ring to seal the cap, and a lanyard so the cap is not lost. There are a couple different problems that are common with the cap assembly. The O-ring will eventually wear out. This will cause fuel to leak from the cap, and the lanyard will sometimes break off, making it easy to lose the cap. Replacing the cap assembly is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll start by removing the fuel cap. With the cap removed, now I need to remove the lanyard from the tank. To do that, I'll place a screwdriver through the lanyard and pry it out of the tank. Now I can install the new cap assembly. I'll push the lanyard into the tank and thread the cap back into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new cap assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.